Hola and welcome to another video of learning Spanish through conversations. Today, we will be looking at a conversation between a noisy neighbor that is having a party and another neighbor that is complaining or is trying to complain. ¿Qué pasa con la música? ¿Qué pasa means what happens, and ¿qué pasa con is like what's going on with, in this case, la música, the music. So it's like what's going on with the music? What's wrong with the music?
Hola.
Uy, hola. ¿Puedes bajar un poco la música, por favor? Bajar is a verb to move something down. It can be to lower, to get down, to bring down. Anything that moves down, we use the verb bajar. ¿Puedes bajar? Can you lower the music? It means the volume. So you could say, ¿puedes bajar el volumen, por favor? And keep in mind that we only conjugate the verb poder. Puedes, you can you. Bajar stays in infinitive. We don't say puedes, bajas. No.
¿Baja la música?
Sí, está muy alta. Está muy alta. Alto, alta, as an adjective is tall. For example, yo soy alto, I'm tall. Also means high or loud. So it depends on the context. El avión vuela alto, la música está alta. ¿Puedes bajarla? ¿Puedes bajarla? That la at the end is it, the music. Can you lower it? It's la because música is a feminine noun. Now here we have two verbs together. Puedes, bajar. One of them is an infinitive. So we have another choice. We can put la before the first verb. So we could say, ¿la puedes bajar? ¿Puedes bajarla? Same thing.
Ah, es una fiesta.
Ya lo veo. Ya lo veo. Lo veo is I see it. I see the thing that you're talking about. I see it's a party. This ya doesn't really mean anything. It's like I can already see it. I can see it. I can see that. Pero yo mañana tengo que trabajar. Mañana tengo que trabajar. To have to do something in Spanish is tener conjugated. So tengo, I have, que. Tengo que means I have to. Always que. And the action verb in infinitive. Trabajar. Tengo que trabajar. We cannot say tengo trabajar, tengo trabajo. We need que and we only conjugate tener. Tengo que trabajar.
Vale, que te vaya bien el trabajo.
Que te vaya bien. Que te vaya bien, we use the subjunctive vaya when we want to wish things onto someone. Que vaya bien el trabajo. We can also use te or we can leave it out. Que te vaya bien o que vaya bien. Same thing. Que te vaya bien means I hope work goes well for you. Or que vaya bien el trabajo, I hope work goes well. Same thing. And then she says que te vaya bien el trabajar. That's not correct. It should be el trabajo, work as a noun. No puedo dormir. Y mañana madrugo. Mañana madrugo. Madrugar is a verb that I don't think it exists in English. It means to wake up very early. Madrugar. Yo madrugo, tú madrugas, él madruga.
Entiendo. ¿Solo una hora más? Por fin.
Por fin, it's a sweet way to say por favor, please. It's like in English, pretty please, something like that. People say that to make it look cute, sweet, maybe avoid a fine from the police. No, ya es muy tarde, son las 11.
¿Las 11? Es muy pronto.
Mira, no quiero llamar a la policía. Mira means look. Look, and we use it as in English, not actually asking you to look, but like say like, look, this is what is going to happen. Yeah. Mira, no quiero llamar a la policía. Look, I don't want to call the police, but...
Policía no. ¿Tú quieres bailar?
¿Tú quieres bailar? Do you want to dance? Again, two verbs. Quieres, conjugated, you want. Bailar stays in infinitive. ¿Quieres bailar? Do you want to dance? Not quieres bailas. No. Bailar no, quiero dormir. Quiero dormir, same thing. Quiero, I want. Dormir, infinitive. I want to sleep. Not quiero, duermo. No.
Dormir no. Toma una cerveza.
Toma una cerveza. Toma is the way we say here. take this. Toma. Here, take this. It's a command as well to ask somebody to hold something, to take something. Cerveza is a beer. For most people, this is the first word they learn in Spanish when they come on vacation.
Vamos a la siesta.
No, tengo que descansar. En serio. Again, tengo que, I have to, descansar. Rest. Infinitive. Tengo que descansar. I have to rest. En serio means for real, seriously.
Venga, solo un ratito.
Venga means come on, venga, solo un ratito. Ratito is the word rato. It means a while, sometime, we don't know how long. It could be 5 minutes, it could be 20 minutes. Un rato, un ratito. Alright, and that's all for today. Let me know if you have any more questions. Until next time, hasta la próxima.